Hello everyone and welcome to Anuradha and Harini Faith. Today we are going to have a day-to-day science session which is going to be really interesting. So today we're going to take up the topic of the water purification system. Trust me, it's very easy and you will be able to score really well. This diagram might look really confusing, but when I explain it, I guess it will be really easy for you to understand. This entire diagram is called as the water purification system. Now, why do we use water purification system? As the name suggests, we use it to purify the water because in the reservoirs, or you can say in the dams, the water in the dams, they are not very pure. So we have to make this pure so that we can use it for taking bath, washing our hands, etc. Imagine when you open the tap, you get a lot of chemicals out of the tap, you get fishes, etc. Would you ever want to have such a water tap? No. So now I'm going to explain this entire diagram to you in a very simple manner. All it is that there is a reservoir which is man-made. In the exam, this entire thing might come for 3 to 4 marks. But remember that if you just understand the entire diagram well, you just write it in your own words and entire explanation, you will easily get your marks. Now let's concentrate on the diagram. There's a man-made reservoir and it contains a lot of dirt, impurities, chemicals, etc. Now what will happen? We'll go to a sedimentation tank. Now what will happen in a sedimentation tank? All the solids will settle. Obviously, we know by the name. Now, when the solids settle, the water is not very pure. So to make this extremely super pure, it will go to a loading tank. In this loading tank, the suspended impurities are also sedimentated. That means it is allowed to settle at the bottom. It won't just settle like that. All you have to do is add potash alum into it. Now, don't think that these tanks are so small like how it is in the diagram. It's extremely big. You will just be 1 millimeter if you stand next to that tank. That's so big. So much of water. So it's going to take a lot of time, right? 5 to 6 hours, etc. So what is going to happen is all the suspended impurities are going to settle. Now how? By adding potash alum. What will potash alum do? It will just make the clay particles heavy and all the clay particles will settle down. Now water is pure and is ready to go for the next step. Now next step is called as a filtration tank where there are beds like coarse gravel, fine sand and water. Now what will happen is this entire water which is now kind of clear, that will go to a chlorination tank. Now we all know that chlorination is used to kill the bacteria. It is all these tablets are added in swimming pools, large public wells, etc. Now when the water goes here, the bacteria will be killed and we are ready to use it at home. But remember, this is not for drinking. It is only for washing hands or all the household needs. But if you want to drink it, you can just add one more step, that is boiling. If you boil this water, you can easily drink it. With that, I would like to end today's session and I hope you liked it. It's a very short video, but yes, I hope it's very informative. If you like this video, please like, and if you think there are any suggestions, please put in the comment area. We are always ready to take your opinions. Thank you and see you next time.